Welcome to our roundup of the best blenders for every kitchen setup and lifestyle. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, protein shakes, soups, or homemade sauces, having the right blender can completely transform your cooking experience. In this video, we've selected some of the top-rated blenders that combine power, convenience, durability, and smart design. We'll break down everything from blending performance and motor strength to jar capacity, speed settings, ease of cleaning, and overall value so you can find the perfect blender for your needs. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Now let's jump right into the list. The first on the list is the Chefman Obliterator Blender. The Chefman Obliterator is designed for users who want powerful blending performance without spending premium-level money. Featuring 1380-watt motor, auto blend technology, and 48-ounce Triton jar, this blender is built to crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients with ease. Its high-powered motor works together with specially engineered stainless steel blades to create incredibly smooth results for smoothies, soups, dips, and frozen drinks. Whether you're preparing breakfast shakes or restaurant-style sauces, the blending consistency feels surprisingly premium for the price point. Overall, the Chefman Obliterator offers strong blending power, smart automation, and excellent versatility at a competitive price, making it a fantastic option for families, smoothie lovers, and everyday kitchen use. Next up is the Ninja Twisty Blender Duo. The Ninja Twisty Duo stands out with its innovative design and impressive versatility for both smoothies and thicker blends. Featuring smart torque technology, hybrid edge blades, and built-in twist tamper, this blender is specifically designed to power through heavy mixtures without stalling. From nut butters and smoothie bowls to frozen fruit blends and protein shakes, the Twisty Duo handles dense ingredients with remarkable consistency and control. What makes this model unique is the built-in twist tamper integrated into the lid. Instead of stopping the blender and manually stirring ingredients, users can simply twist the tamper to push ingredients toward the blades while blending continues. This creates smoother textures and reduces preparation frustrations significantly. Combined with the powerful motor system, the blender maintains speed even under heavy loads, which helps prevent uneven blending and overheating issues during thick recipes. The included single-serve cups add extra convenience for users with busy lifestyles. You can blend directly into the travel cup, attach the lid, and take your drink on the go without needing extra dishes. The preset blending programs are another great addition, helping automate smoothie making, frozen drinks, spreads, and more with just one button press. Overall, the Ninja Twisty Duo combines smart blending technology, strong performance, and excellent convenience features, making it an ideal choice for smoothie enthusiasts and users who frequently prepare thicker blends. Next, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite is an affordable and reliable blender that focuses on simplicity, ease of use, and everyday functionality. Featuring 700-watt peak power, wave action system, and 12 blending functions, this blender delivers surprisingly capable performance for daily kitchen tasks. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, mixing shakes, or preparing salsa, it provides dependable results while remaining budget-friendly. Its wave action system is one of the most important features because it continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades for smoother blending. Instead of ingredients sticking to the sides and requiring constant stirring, the design helps maintain a more consistent mixture automatically. This makes the blender much easier to use for beginners and casual home cooks who want reliable results without complicated settings or controls. The 40-ounce glass jar adds a more premium feel compared to many plastic alternatives in this price range. It feels sturdy, resists stains and odors well, and pours cleanly thanks to the integrated spout design. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite is an excellent value-focused blender that offers dependable performance, user-friendly controls, and versatile blending functions for everyday kitchen use. Coming up next, we have the Ninja BL660 blender. The Ninja BL660 is a powerful and versatile blender built for users who want professional-level blending performance at home. Featuring 1100-watt motor, total crushing technology, and 72-ounce pitcher, this blender easily handles ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and thick ingredients with impressive speed and efficiency. From smoothies and frozen cocktails to sauces and meal prep recipes, the BL660 delivers consistently smooth results while remaining easy to operate. Its total crushing blade system is especially effective for breaking down ice and frozen ingredients within seconds. This creates smoother textures and reduces blending time significantly. The powerful motor maintains consistent performance even during demanding blending tasks, making it ideal for households that frequently prepare frozen drinks or large smoothie batches. The oversized 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families or entertaining guests, allowing you to prepare multiple servings at once without repeated blending cycles. One of the biggest advantages of the BL660 is its versatility. In addition to the large pitcher, it includes single-serve blending cups for quick personal smoothies and grab-and-go drinks. This combination gives users the flexibility to prepare both large family recipes and individual beverages with the same machine. Overall, the BL660 combines strong power, large capacity, and excellent versatility as a blender, making it one of the best all-around blenders for smoothies, frozen drinks, and family meal prep. The last one on our list is the Vitamix 5200 blender. The Vitamix 5200 is widely considered one of the most reliable and professional-grade blenders available for home kitchens. Featuring variable speed control, hardened stainless steel blades, and 64-ounce container, this blender delivers exceptional blending precision and long-term durability. Designed for serious home cooks and health enthusiasts, it can handle everything from silky smoothies and soups to nut butters, frozen desserts, and hot purees with professional-level consistency. What truly separates the Vitamix 5200 from standard blenders is its incredible motor performance and blending precision. The variable speed dial allows users to fine-tune texture exactly the way they want, whether creating chunky salsa or ultra-smooth soups. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades rotate at extremely high speeds, generating enough friction heat to warm soups directly inside the container within minutes. This level of performance gives the blender versatility that few competitors can match. The tall 64-ounce container is excellent for preparing large family meals, meal prep recipes, or multiple smoothie servings at once. Despite its size, the container design creates a powerful vortex that continuously pulls ingredients toward the blades for efficient blending. Overall, the Vitamix 5200 delivers outstanding power, professional-level blending quality, and exceptional long-term durability, making it one of the best premium blenders available for serious everyday use. So that's it for the best blenders you can buy right now. Whether you want an affordable everyday option, a smoothie-focused powerhouse, or a professional-grade kitchen blender, there's something here for every type of user. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful product guides like this one. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.